how to play it. Let's first open it to know. Wow! That is a big fridge. Some vegetables. Let's cut them up. Yes, we did it! Pizza! Milk! Ooh, these look very yummy, and 2 packages. I love it. Now the very yummy vegetables. Let's decorate the fridge with these stickers. Whoa, that's a little baby bottle. And we have you on there. Oh, look. Let's open this and see what we can fix inside. Whoa, look, we found an egg patch. We put egg on it. Let's put it on the very top. Okay, now let's open the jar. This is ice. You can put ice in there, and there's 6 squares in it. Let's put some water and it can turn into ice. And let's put it in the fridge so it can be very warm. Let's close it. You take it like this. You push there, then the ice will come out. Look, he's going to check if our ice is done. Let's open the jar. Look, our ice is done. I love it. Look, Minion's here. He's gonna organize our fridge. We'll put these groceries on top. Then we'll put milk on the side, and he would put tomato juice on the side too with the milk. Oh, look, there's a lollipop. He's going to lie it down. Now, he's going to put that down, the orange juice on the rosy side, and I guess. And we have tomato. Let's put it in the fish box. And we have vegetables. Put it there. And we have a fish. Let's put it there. And it says pizza right there. So let's stack it up. There's an egg and another egg. Huh? That looks fun. Okay, now let's close the door. Oh, let's put the ice in first. Put it 1 in, 2 in, 3 in, 4 in, and 5 in, 6 in. And now let's make some more ice. We can put the ice in the fridge and close the fridge door. I want some ice. Here you go. Thanks. I love the ice. I have 4 ice. I want some more. Now I have more ice. Peppa wants some water from the other fridge nearby. Now Peppa has ice and water. Peppa's going to drink. She's very thirsty. Okay, let's have the mice. Let's go. Okay, I'm here to get the mice. Look. Oh. There's no ice anymore. Don't worry, it's okay. I have ice in the fridge. I make. Okay, let's put the ice in. 1 and 8 ice. Let's scoop 8 ice. Let's put some ice in the bowl now. Now the minion has ice too. She's going to drink. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I love this. Okay. Can you share some water with me? Because I don't have any water at the station. Sure. There you go. Let's put the mice in there. Okay, let's go. We're playing. Haha. Let me drink some of your ice. Can you let me drink some of my ice? You can't only drink water. There's more things you can eat. There is tomato juice and milk. Okay, let's put the mice and let's put some tomato juice. Okay, Peppa's going to drink. Now look, she has some milk. Let's put some ice in here first. And let's pour some milk in here. Okay. Okay, Peppa's going to drink. And we have some orange juice. Let's drink. Let's close the door and open the real door. Look, Peppa wants some egg. Peppa put the egg on his plate and ate it. And Peppa's going to eat tomato and vegetables. Thank you, Peppa, for getting the fridge for us. Yum, 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 yum. Now, let's see what's inside. What's inside the pizza jar? Oh no. Sounds like fun to know. And what's inside? Okay, let's open the waffle box first. Oh look, there's donuts in the waffle box. Then we open the big box. My mom said we can't eat lots of this. We only can eat a little. My mom said I can't eat this. I only can eat a little. Let's start eating. Remember, children? Every day you need to be healthy, like we did. Bye. Bye. And don't forget